Hi, today I'm going to show our multifunction installed in the new Hyundai, which is the new Hyundai Ioniq and the Hyundai Genesis and many others coming on this platform, which is the full electric. This is the little model. We're using the CAN bus system, of course, with the two lines. We have to cut the CAN. We connect it under the steering. Okay, and then we use the we can use the round device or low effort switches or just the steering spinners or whatever we want to operate the system. This module is basically the interface to the body control module. So here I'm gonna turn on the ignition, ACC, ignition, start the engine. Now the engine is ready, the car is ready. Okay, here we can rotate. I'm gonna show the turn signals. Okay, so here I'm going to use the turn signals. Okay, to indicate left, right and left. Okay, of course it cancels according to the steering position. Okay, I'm going to show more. So if I indicate left, I rotate right, like in roundabout. When I go straight, it doesn't cancel, only on the right side, on the left side. Okay, the same on the right side. Okay, here we have the horn. Okay, flash to pass. Now the headlight switch is in the off position, so press and hold, it turns on the headlights, as we can see here. So there is no need to remember or to put it. We can put it on the auto, but it still turns it on. And then when I press and hold, it holds the high beam. It latches high beam, low beam, high beam. Shortly pressed to turn off. Flash, wipers. Now this is the first. Normal wipe, rapid wipe, press and hold for the wash. There is no washer fluid now. And in the off. Thank you.